she tells me like, hey, you have to get off the flight. And I'm like for what reason? And she couldn't give me a reason.
Ma'am, please come over here. Ma'am. Listen to me. Right now I'm in the middle of an investigation. I need you to stay over here, please.
I'm not here.
Listen to me. Please follow my directions.
On the 23rd of May 2023, airport police in Florida were dispatched to a terminal gate after a flight attendant reported being physically struck by a connecting passenger traveling from Washington D.C. to Los Angeles. The subject, identified as Sodto, had been removed from the aircraft by airline staff. She claimed the same flight attendant had shown prior hostility toward her and had no valid grounds to remove her from the flight. A physical altercation occurred near the boarding gate as Sodto was deplaning. Independent witnesses on scene corroborated the flight attendant's account, stating the passenger had delivered a direct punch to her face.
Please follow my directions. Stay right here. Okay. Who is it that? All right. So please tell me what happened. She punched you in the face. Show me where?
In my face.
No, I understand it, but can you please show me? No, as in
like that.
Your face. Where?
In my face.
I understand, but where in the on the face? Right in the nose. You're saying.
She punched me in my face.
She punched you in the face. Did we anyone here witness that? Just out of curiosity. You did?
Yeah.
You did see what happened?
I didn't see exactly what hit, but he was coming off the airplane and just said, fuck you, bitch, and started strike.
Fuck you, bitch. Yes. Okay.
And the other VC probably had a better view of it.
And sir, I would like to testify because I think they want to do my job.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll.
She probably had a better view of it if you want to hear it. She was standing right next to you, right?
Three off 40.
Yeah, but I was here.
She's out. If you want to see it.
Advise a Delta unit, I'm going to have a 31. Reference someone punching a flight attendant.
She witnessed it, and she also was sitting in front of the lady.
It is. And 3 on 40, you have a...
I will at this point, yes.
I did. No.
Well, I have to get. I need to get witness statements, okay, and a victim statement from you, and I need everyone to fill this out. Okay, so give it. This is going to take a little while. Okay.
Alright, so we already got we're going to so we good.
All right, ma'am.
Okay. I'm trying to figure out who's going to bail me out if you're going to take me in. So can I do that, please?
Ma'am, I need you to do that real quick.
Yeah.
I mean,
you hear that, Ben? You hear that?
They'll still allow you to call from the jail. So do me a favor, Dan, please put your items in your purse.
Can I write down a phone number?
Absolutely.
Okay.
What's the phone number?
You want to talk to the officer?
No, I can't talk to anyone else right now.
He doesn't want to talk to you.
I have enough to deal with right now.
He said if you don't want to talk to anybody, why are you arresting me?
Ma'am, I'm not talking to anyone else on the phone. I'm talking to the people here and you. That is it.
If you haven't spoken to me.
Well, I have witnesses. That's all I need at this point. And I will talk to you if you will please put the phone away.
You hear that, Ben? Yeah. I gotta hang up, Ben.
All right, please put the phone in the purse. Now, tell me what happened.
What happened was I was on a flight earlier from D.C. over here to Florida. This is my connecting flight to go back home to Los Angeles.
Okay.
And on the connecting flight from D.C. over here, the same flight attendant was on that previous flight.
Okay.
And she was already giving me a problem because she was like talking to another flight attendant in the back, and she was already giving me an issue. I had no issue. And then now she was on this flight also, and there was animosity there already. I had no problem with this person whatsoever. So that animosity and that previous preconceived notion of me was already there.
Okay.
Now, then she told whatever to the flight attendant or
To the young lady right here.
to the flight attendant or
Yes.
this flight person. And this is actually the person who helped me on this flight, who helped me figure out my ticket on this flight. So when she was coming to me and telling me to get off of the flight because of the flight attendant and I was some danger, I was like, what? Like, I was super confused. And then everybody in my section was like, just be quiet, don't say anything, like, you're good. And I'm like, yeah, I'm good. I think I'm good.
Okay.
And then she comes up to me all of a sudden and she tells me like, hey, you have to get off the flight. And I'm like, for what reason? And she couldn't give me a reason.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay. So I start to get off and I'm like, are you at least going to give me another flight? And she said, yes. And that was that. But then as I was getting off, she's like, I don't even know her name, but the girl right there, she was like looking at me and I'm like, what is happening? Like, I have no idea. Like, I have no idea what motivated her to go to, whatever her name is, to get me off of that flight.
Okay.
And that's all.
All right. But you did what as you got off the plane?
I didn't do anything.
Ma'am.
I didn't
Please.
do anything. I'm
Please.
sorry.
What's your name?
I'm sorry. My name is Sodto.
Sodto.
You ever hit her?
No.
Who's her?
Do you see my face? Yeah. But she hit me, if anything.
You hit
It was an attack.
Did you touch her first when you were leaving?
I'm not going to say that. No.
No, you're not going to say that. But
No.
the thing is, unfortunately, I have witnesses say that you did punch the flight attendant.
And I have other witnesses also.
Not as you're walking out.
No, I haven't been able to go anywhere from this position.
Right,
So,
because I have to stop and I have to
so
talk
how
to
am I
everybody.
supposed to have witnesses if I can't even leave
Ma'am,
this position?
It occurred out here.
The responding officer secured the scene, collected the victim's statement, and canvassed for independent witnesses a textbook application of the probable cause standard under the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution. Under Illinois v. Gates, 1983, probable cause is assessed on the totality of circumstances. Here, a victim's sworn account combined with multiple corroborating witnesses satisfied that threshold and legally justified the arrest. The Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable arrest. Sodto's detention was lawful because the totality of evidence victim testimony, plus independent witnesses, created a reasonable probability that a crime had been committed. When directly asked whether she struck the attendant, Sodto declined to answer. Under the Fifth Amendment and Miranda v. Arizona, 1966, that silence is constitutionally protected and cannot be treated as evidence of guilt. The footage does not clearly document Miranda advisements being delivered prior to questioning. Under Miranda v. Arizona, statements obtained without prior rights advisement are subject to suppression in court proceedings.
You have your bracelet or no?
Yes, I do.
Drop your bag.
All right, please put your bag down.
You don't have to handcuff.
Yes, ma'am, we do. It's policy.
Drop your bag.
Policy.
Can I,
I'm gonna ask you one more time.
Can I please?
I'm gonna ask you one
Can
more
I
time.
please put
Ma'am.
phone numbers on a paper?
You tell me and I can write them. That's why I have a pen and paper, okay? I'm going to take your phone. All this goes in the bag.
I'll give you an option. If you want me to do the paper and your runner? And
If you want to do the paper, I'll be happy to.
okay. You have her ID and stuff?
I haven't even gone that far. Where's your ID, ma'am?
It's not even in the.
Where is it? Where is your ID?
I don't have an ID.
You don't have a driver's license? You don't have...
It's fine. We'll take her up. I'll take her to the front. Hey, I'm gonna take her to the car.
I'm riding her and then Burma's taking the paper.
Okay, all right.
I need to put phone numbers on a piece of
That's fine.
paper, please.
That's fine.
3 Alpha 11 or 3 Alpha 30 and go.
I'm gonna check it for a car.
For that,
Okay. 36, have them meet me out in the front curbside terminal 4.
You need to take me in cuffs through the airport?
Yes.
All the way through the airport.
Correct.
Are you serious? This is so embarrassing.
All right. Thank you, Sarge. Where you from? Stop pulling. Relax.
I'm not pulling.
Okay, it feels like you're pulling.
No, I'm walking.
Okay.
I'm not trying to fucking be here.
All right.
All right.
All right. She's gonna pat you down, okay?
Can you, this thing comes out, your belly ring comes off?
Yeah, pretty much.
No? Yeah, they're probably gonna have to cut it off.
Police
How about the nose piercing? That one off it?
I'm sure that comes off. Huh? I don't know how
You
those
better
work.
gloves, love? I got great gloves.
I got it's only that I don't know why they don't maybe they were a little too tight.
Under 49 U.S.C. Section 4, 6506, assaulting a flight attendant in the performance of their duties constitutes a federal offense independent of any state-level charge, exposing Sodto to prosecution on 2 separate legal tracks. Florida Statute 784.03 defines battery as intentional physical contact without consent, a first-degree misdemeanor. Florida Statute 877.03 covers disorderly conduct. Both charges were filed against Sodto following the incident. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, the force used during an arrest must be objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Here, only handcuffs were applied the minimum appropriate level of force. The officer maintained gender-specific search protocol, conducting the pat-down through a female officer. His repeated calm request to put the phone away without escalating demonstrated effective de-escalation technique.
Yes, sir.
Step hard.
So I'm gonna blow.
Here.
I
Blow
got
to
it.
it. Take that. Boom. Now they opened up. Ooh, see that?
You could get me nervous.
Make me nervous.
All right, come on, I gotta pat you down. Make sure you don't have anything on you. Huh? You can stand right here. Just turn around that way, don't let people see you. Okay, lean forward. You see, some of these things have pockets on them. All right, raise your legs for me. All right. Okay, I'm gonna start taking off your jewelry, okay? Wow. Wow. All right, let me get a bag, all right? She's got a lot of little jewelry.
Oh, good. It's gonna be 2180 number 473. But it gets to the left, right thing. The three right person here. And it's gonna be order. Subject fall to the public bank.
Please be careful because they're new, okay?
The what? What's new?
The piercing.
Oh, okay.
And that's okay. You could take them off, but please be careful.
All right.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Did she give them a hard time? Coughing or
No,
anything?
I
No.
didn't.
Okay. Should I let her take her own things or what?
Honestly,
You wanna take them out?
please.
Oh.
Shouldn't even be in cuffs right now. If you want to arrest me, it's okay.
All right, but I need you to take everything. The
That's
chain,
fine.
anything,
No
everything.
problem. No problem. It's just tight as fur. Thank you. If I have a problem with my nails, you can help me, right?
I'll try.
Thank you. How am I going to get my numbers?
If they come back with your phone, not providing spot.
When are they going to come back with it? Because that's very important.
You're gonna get it. He's just, I
Well,
guess,
because I'm not from here. So before I'm booked, I need to have those
you
numbers.
usually get your numbers before. We'll let you open up your phone and. What state are you from?
Not from here.
You so good. You know this.
I think now is when I'm going to need your help.
Well, take out everything that you can on your own, and then I'll help you with what you cannot.
Oh.
There's nothing in there.
That's it.
Yeah,
So
the
take the
chains.
Oh, yeah. So many cops for a little old me? Great. I got something else to do.
Your rings.
Yeah.
I'll get it.
No, I got it.
Your belly ring. Oh. Yeah, let's stand that. Don't throw your socks away. You might want to use them.
I don't want them. They'll give me new ones.
No, they're gonna give you
No, they will.
flip-flops. You been arrested before?
No. They'll give me socks though.
No.
You gotta do that one.
How do I do that? Which one?
It's-
It's unscrew.
I think it's this one. I think it's this one.
All right, let me see. Smile for me for a minute. No, smile. Let's see. Yeah, okay. All right, hold on. All right, I can't get that. They'll have to do it over there. All of these are screw-ons?
Mm-hmm.
And which one are you screwing on? The one in the front or the one in the back?
I think the one in the back.
Now these are, wow, you tighten them up? Like this one right here that looks like a...
No, it was like infected, so it's like kind of swollen.
All right,
So
we'll
that's
let
why
them
it's
deal with that
tight.
over there.
Yeah.
Let me see, turn your head.
I mean, what the fuck am I supposed to do with my piercings?
No. All right, just put your hands behind your back.
Easy. Yeah, thanks.
You have to go like right. Where's her stuff? She don't got her ID or anything?
No.
They have it. They're coming out.
Yeah, how am I supposed to get my numbers?
They're coming out. The guy that's gonna arrest you, he's coming out.
Are you not arresting me? Are you not the guy who's arresting me?
No, I'm just the one who moved you from point A to point B.
Oh, that's crazy.
You can just lean on the car right here.
Can I go in the car? Can I go inside?
How are we gonna get you in the car? I mean, we don't have a car right now. The guy's car you're going in is not here.
You have like 1,000 cop cars here. How can you not put me in a car? You're not the one who's arresting me. Can you put me in a car?
Where's his car? Is it unlocked?
Like any car, and then transfer me. I'm just gonna stand out here? Like, what the? That's not cool.
Come on. Right over. Go ahead. Well, oh, man.
Am I able to get my number?
Yeah, you are, but he's got to come out with the thing. He's got to get statements, all kinds of stuff first.
Statement.
Yeah, from the...
Am I not even able to get my statements from people who were around me?
Maybe, I don't know.
Like, how is that even fair? How am I supposed to have evidence on my side if I'm not able to have statements myself?
No, I mean, you can tell him what he
doesn't care what I have to say.
That's not him. He's not the one doing the arrest.
The white man who was in the plane, he does not care what I have to say.
Oh, the one that Okay. What's your first name?
What are you looking up right now?
I'm looking up your information because it's got to go on the arrest form.
They got it up 40th Street, but previous
What's your first name?
It has to go under what?
What is your first name?
It has to go under what? I'm sorry, ma'am. I need to know all the
A report. I mean, what do you think I need your name for?
If you're not the one...
The arrest, because they don't have your ID.
If you're not the one arresting me, then why do you need
Okay,
that?
do me a favor. So talk to me no more.
I'm trying to help you.
Yeah.
Mine?
All right. Yeah.
All right. When we say we're going to go to another vehicle?
Am I able to get my phone numbers?
Yeah, I'll give you phone numbers. As soon as we get in the other car, we'll take them out of the phone, okay?
You have my phone?
It should be all in your purse, right?
And
In
you
that
have
bag.
my purse?
Yes, I have your bag. It's all in your bag.
Can you help me?
Absolutely, if you request so.
Yeah, for sure.
Hold on. Slow down. This is what happens when we go through this. Regardless how fast you want to do it, it's not going to go that speed.
Sodto was sentenced to 6 months of probation, mandatory anger management, and financial fines. This disposition is consistent with a first offense misdemeanor resolution under Florida law for a defendant with no prior record. The officer receives a B+. The arrest was legally sound, tactically appropriate, and professionally handled. Minor deductions apply for the ambiguous Miranda procedure and the lengthy public escort through the crowded terminal. Sodto receives a C. She correctly declined to answer incriminating questions, invoking her Fifth Amendment right. However, independent witnesses confirmed the battery, a charge the law does not excuse, on grounds of personal grievance. First lesson. Any physical contact with airline crew constitutes a federal offense under 49 U.S. C. Section 46506, regardless of perceived provocation or prior conflict. Disputes on aircraft must be resolved through proper channels only. Second lesson. Silence is your right. Citizens are never required to confirm criminal acts to law enforcement. As established in Miranda v. Tenfree, Arizona, exercising the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent cannot be used against you. Third lesson. Public conduct is always witnessed. Independent bystanders became the deciding factor in this arrest. Once multiple witnesses corroborate a victim's account, probable cause is established and an arrest will follow. Fourth lesson. Aviation law operates on a dual track. A single act aboard a commercial aircraft can trigger simultaneous prosecution under state criminal law and federal aviation statutes, dramatically increasing potential consequences. The broader takeaway is this. A personal dispute, however unfair it may feel in the moment, never justifies physical force. The legal system provides remedies for grievances. Violence forfeits those remedies and creates new criminal liability.